What's happening? What is it, Frankie?
I heard a lot of screaming.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, you have to ask your mother.
Oh, she's home, and everybody's dead in there.
They were laughing. Don't
I just see. No, they're not. I swear. You're still alive?